In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing how to fix your rendered poster, such as bloom, motion blur, and the depth of field that makes it more detailed. Because when you rendered by poster, it doesn't have the extra details that you want to make. Let's try to fix that. The first step is to shorten the time strip to 1 frame. Then go to File, Export, then Movie, or hit Ctrl M. Make sure the export is set to image sequence. Then you can set the format to PNG or JPEG. Once you are done with your settings, hit the Export Movie button. Very super easy and simple. Hope you guys find this tutorial very useful to make better posters. And stay tuned for more tutorials along the way. And I will see you next time.